Hey, what's going on you guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll be showing you guys Muscle Legends working codes. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so the first code is Space Gems 50. As you can see, I've already used it. Next code is Frostgums 10. This will give you so many gems. Next code is Muscle Storm 50. This will give you 1500 strength. Next code is Mega Lift 50. As you can see, I've already used it. Next code is Speedy 50. As you can see, I've already used it. Next code is Sky Agility 50. This gives you 500 agility. Next code is Galaxy Crystal 50. This code will also give you a lot of gems. Next code is Super Muscle 100. This code gets you 200 strength. Next code is Epic Reward 500. This code gets you 500 gems. Next code is Super Punch 100. This code gets you 100 strength. Last code is Launch 250, which gets you 250 gems. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe for more code videos.